What's up, guys? Okay, what's up, guys? Nope, no. Hey, guys, Cassie here, and in today's vlog, I'll be covering all about Cisco. Now, what is Cisco? It's a multinational technology company originating from San Francisco, USA, with a focus on network equipment including, but not exclusive to, routers, switches, and etc. The people behind the creation of Cisco were Leonard Bozak and Sandra Lerner, who formed the company late 1984, targeting the emerging world of computer networking. With their earlier work involving merging networks between buildings at Stanford University, set the stage for what the company would later build. With the company's headquarters located in San Jose, California, Cisco has taken to become the world's leading network equipment provider, having near 80% of the market using their equipment and collaborating with schools to expand their field of engineers to work with their equipment. Cisco is currently being led by their CEO Chuck Robbins, an American businessman taking over from July 26, 2015 by a unanimous vote. Now, Robbins started as an application developer within the banking world before taking up the role at Cisco, leading the company for 20 years into the largest within the networking world. After their success with the Advanced Gateway Server Router, or the AGS router in 1986, Cisco went on to provide multiple derivative products. Next up, see, these are the different companies and salary comparisons from all over the Philippines. As you can see, a network engineer is a high-paying job, but ironically, it comes with a price. The most important requirement in becoming a network engineer in any given company is to have a Cisco certification, but we'll dwell on that later. But that's enough of me. It's time to introduce our guest for today, Clayton. No, not the one from Tarzan, but a certified network engineer from America is here. Hi there, Clayton.
Hi, thanks for having me.
No, thank you for being here and giving your time, even though you're busy.
Oh no, it's no problem.
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
So, Nathan, what equipments have you worked with?
I've worked with a lot of network equipments, different routers and switches. I've worked with different firewall equipment, specifically ASA, all Cisco equipment, and I've worked with some Cisco server equipment, such as UCS, and it stands for Unified Compute Systems.
Oh, that's a lot. What are the requirements to work with those equipments?
Well, the routers and switches are definitely required with the Cisco routing and switch cert. The ASA is definitely required with the Cisco security cert, although some of that is touched on the routing and switch cert.
Fascinating. So, if you have those many certificates, are there other certificates and their ranks?
Yeah, so Cisco has a kind of a 4-tier. I mean, there's the CCNT, of course, but usually the first third is the CCNA routing switch. From there it goes CCNA, CCNP, CCIE, and all of the CCIEs kind of combine into this larger cert that only like 11 people have, called the CCAR. It's called the Cisco Certified Architect. and to clarify, those stand for Cisco Certified Network Associate, Cisco Certified Network Professional, Cisco Certified Internetwork Expert. There's many different types of these certs at each of these different levels. There's the IoT, which is basically just connecting devices which aren't normally network equipment and connecting them to the internet. There's the design cert, which is orienting and designing the actual layout of your network. There's the wireless cert, which is for actually managing industrial level Wi-Fi for industrial numbers of devices and at industrial distances. There's also the collaboration cert, which is audio and video equipment that connects an enterprise number of people on single conference, and also manages your telephones in the company. The last three are the data center, cloud, and service provider certs. The cloud is for third-party compute. Data center is for managing your own data center with and server hardware, and service providers is exactly as it sounds. It's internet service providers controlling their own networks and giving consumer modems to their customers. And that's about it as far as the certifications go.
Well, that's plentiful. So how is it be to be a certified network engineer?
So to be a certified network engineer, I'd say it's a great time. There's definitely days where there's heavy work because of outages and stuff, but yeah, it's great. My job specifically, I worked in network automation with Python Ansible, and programmers in IIT don't necessarily understand each other's weaknesses and strengths, or exactly each other's needs. So that was a little bit rough, but Cisco network engineers definitely have a great pay, great time.
Oh, that must have been difficult for you. So, next is, what job opportunities are there in America for certified network engineers?
So for Cisco, you can pretty much get your hand in pretty much any major job, because every major job needs some sort of IT infrastructure to manage them. That can be from a hospital to any sort of company. But the main IT jobs that you'll probably find are either some sort of data center or IT consulting company or provider, or even your local ISP, internet service provider, giving out network, giving out or supplying internet to those around you.
Oh, that's a lot. So, last question is, do you have any tips on getting a network engineer job as a student?
Yeah. So you're not gonna be guaranteed to get a job because, as a student though, because you won't have a degree, but you have a very good chance of getting one with any certification under your belt. That's mainly what a lot of jobs are wanting, is to know if you're certified, regardless if you have a degree or not. And each cert kind of tells what exactly you're good at. So depending upon the job, you need those specific certs to really do that job. So as a student, I would look into the basic certs such as the CCNA Security Cisco Certified Routing and Switch. Yeah, and try to get yourself into an internship or entry level position, and set yourself with as many interviews as possible.
Oh, okay. Well, that's about it. So, Clayton, Thank you for sharing your time, knowledge, and experience with us regarding Cisco.
Yeah, thanks for having me. It's a great time.
Yes, and we hope to see you again, possible.
Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
So there you have it, Cisco and the job opportunities of a network engineer. This is Cassie signing off.